All right, happy Wednesday. I'm tinkering. So this is my latest VEVOR tent. Now I bought this one. This is not a sponsored video. I've had like 3 of these in the past. One of them, I went crazy in Colorado and gave it away because I was doing this big purge. You know how I get, sometimes I have to purge things. So I gave it away, and then I got another one, and Yellow Wolf needed it. So I ended up selling it to her, and now I bought another one. This is the pop-up tent from VEVOR. I've never taken it out of the bag. I've had it for about 4 months. So I'm gonna, get it out of the bag and get it up. Probably set it up right out here somewhere. And I'm also going to turn the Matty Wagon back into a camper van. You might be saying, what are you talking about? I thought you just turned it into a cargo van when you got the casita. Well, I want to have it as a camper van again too, because I want to take short excursions. So I've got to turn it back into a camper van. Of course, I'm not getting rid of the casita. No, I love this thing. I've been out here tinkering on it again this morning. But I want to take like 1 and 2 night trips up to the mountain. There's a mountain like 30 minutes from here. It's called Mingus Mountain, and it's 8,000 feet at the top of it. And when the weather gets warmer, I want to do like an overnight, maybe 2 nights up there and just take the van. So I'm going to set it back up as a camper van again, where I can sleep in it and live in it. That way I'll have the best of both worlds. So today I'm just going to get the tent out, pop it up, and get it all ready too. There we go, the first time the bag's ever been open. All of the wind panels are still in their own compartment. Looks like they gave me fresh paracord. That's good. I wish it was high-vis yellow, but the black will do. The problem with the black paracord is you trip over it. But it's better to go ahead and get this thing set up and get it the way I want it. And then when I take it back down, I'll leave the wind panels on it and put it back in the bag. And it's just easier the next time I go to set it up. It's quicker when the panels are already on it. All right, there we go, halfway there. I just noticed something. They shorted me. This is supposed to have 2 of these, and it only has 1. That's what you put around it when you put it back in the bag. Well, that sucks. I'm gonna need 2 of those to get it back in the bag. I guess I'll just get a rope or something. And here's the wind panels that go on it. But the wind's starting to pick up, so I guess the first thing I need to do is kind of stake it down a little bit, and we'll go from there. And there you go. Panels are back up. I got the paracord attached to this thing. And that's all it is to it. Very simple. I love these tents, but it does suck that they shorted me this thing here. You really need 2 of these to get it back in the bag. But what are you gonna do? I'll just find a piece of rope or something. So the next project is to get the Matty Wagon set back up. There is good news though. I never took the sink out of here. Sink is still here. Here, let's do this. There we go. Tabletop, sink, gray water, fresh water. Still in the same place. Water pump. Still there. So what I have to do is, I have to clean all this stuff off of the bed platform, put the mattress back on it, and it doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to function. So I can sleep in here and camp in here and live in here. I'll probably take the spare tire out. That's for the casita. Get it out of here before I do my overnight trip up the mountain. Put my stove back over here. Probably get a cooler, put some ice in it, put some beer and sandwich stuff in it. Just enough for 2 nights. But yeah, a lot of stuff to clean up and get out of here so I can get the mattress back in here. And I could put the power station right there under the bed, the cooler right over here, and it'd be like the old days. But I've got plenty of time. I'm just waiting on the weather to get hot down here in the valley in Cottonwood, and then I'll go up on Mingus Mountain. And there's free camping up there. There's also some paid camping up there too. So I have options. And I'll probably go on like a Monday or Tuesday when it's not crowded, because it'll be good for me to get out and do some camping again. Okay, I found this old piece of paracord. I can use that, since they shorted me a strap, to tie it up and put it back in the bag. So now I'm going to go ahead, take it down, put it back in the bag, and practice at that, because with the wind panels on, it is a little tougher to get it to fit back in the bag. But I'm going to go ahead and take it down and do that. There we go. That wasn't too bad. I didn't even need this paracord. So I guess that you really don't need 2 straps. You just need to put the strap around the bulky side. All right, so I need to put this in the van and clean up my tools and tent stakes, and then start organizing where I can get the mattress back in there, and just rearranging some stuff. You know, like I say, it doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to function for camping. It's going to be like the old times. You know, it'd be great. I just had this thought. Let's just talk and think out loud. What if I just turn this van back into a camper van completely? Get another mattress, maybe a small fridge, very small fridge. That's the propane generator right there. Runs on propane only. I love it. Only used it once, but it's good to have around. So maybe I'm onto something. That would be the best of both worlds. Just to turn this back into a camper van and do a big purge like I've kind of already done. I've got a lot of room under the bed to put stuff, but I'll probably want to put the spare tire back on the casita, get a tire cover for it, just put it back the way it was. And when I want to make short trips, everything will be in here. I could put the fridge back over there. I could put this generator in Rocco's garage for right now, or I could just put it in the casita. We might be on to a big tinker project. See where I started to do upholstery on the wall and I never really finished right there in the center? Maybe I'll start doing that. Get my stove, put it back here on the countertop. And wow, I've already talked myself into doing it. I've just got a lot of straightening up in here, because when I got the casita, I turned this into a cargo van. So now looks like I'll be turning it back into a camper van. I'm so glad I didn't rip this out, because that's ready to go. You just put fresh water in there and it pumps up. It comes out of here, goes into the sink, drains down into the gray water catch tank. And that's just held up with a magnet right there. Yeah, we're on to big tinker projects. It makes me excited just thinking about it. I'm gonna have to take a minute just to take it all in. Okay, now that I've thought about it, yes, this is what we're going to do. Looks like I've got 2 to 3 weeks before the weather starts getting hot down here in the valley in Cottonwood. Cottonwood's about 3,500 feet, so it's really not a valley. But up on the mountain, you know, when it's 90 degrees down here in the valley, It's 70 up on the mountain, or 75. I've been up there like every year for the last 4 years and stayed, 4 or 5 days. It's a great place. So, I gotta think. I think I'll eventually need to get a small fridge here. But in the meantime, I can use my old fridge, the one that I'm giving to Rocco. I can just put it back in here, grab a power station, sit it over here, run the fridge off of it, and everything's ready to go. I never removed these solar panels, so they're still ready to go. And actually I've made them better because I put them in parallel now. So I might grab one extra portable panel and take with me. I've got 3 of them stacked up right there. Oh, I need to slide that box back under the bed. That's where I grabbed my hammer and my tent stakes out of there. I wonder if I should go ahead and get another mattress. Maybe just a cheaper one, not for sleeping on all the time. Maybe one of those trifold mattresses. So it would just be here, just in case I got a wild hair and I wanted to take a 2-night excursion somewhere, because I'm here house sitting until around the 1st of July. It's been extended. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to start getting itchy feet soon. I'm going to have to take these little short trips, just to manage that in my mind. So, all right, well, I'm going to end the video and I'm going to start getting busy because I've got about 2 to 3 weeks and this needs to be ready to go. All right, thanks for watching. Take care, be well, and smash the bell.